guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to test the presence of acid and base. So you should take a bowl of hot water and some hibiscus, and you should add the hibiscus to the hot water. I will show you now. And leave it for some time so it leaves its color. The water should become pink. See, now the hibiscus has left its color. You can take it out. Now take 3 glasses. See, I have taken 3 glasses and I've taken 3 glasses. Now take a lemon and baking soda and a detergent. So and pour the hibiscus water to the 3 glasses. Now take a lemon and squeeze it in the glass. Now you can see the reaction. It is turning orange color. Now take some baking soda and pour it to the second glass. See, I have added baking soda to the glass. The glass is becoming water is becoming a little brownish color. Then take some detergent. See, I am adding some detergent. You can see it is dissolving a little bit. Even the detergent is becoming brownish color. By this you can see that the lemon juice is orange, so it is called as acid, and light brown baking soda and detergent is called as base. You can see the difference between them. You can see it. You can take other ingredients also like curd and tamarind juice, and for base you can take some milk of magnesia and etc. etc. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. Till then, goodbye.